Okay, so I need you guys, first of all, before you start this, to get some headphones and you need to listen to the video. Listen, listen, listen. Okay, it's going to be super short. So you guys asked for me to do the videos, so here you guys are, or at least some of you did, I don't know. But listen to the video, so ask for headphones if you need them. It's going to be super short. I'm just going to walk you through some of these, okay? So the first thing that you need to do after you don't write listen, just listen, is you need to write y equals mx plus b. Okay, so m is your slope, and b is your y-intercept. And we're going to practice graphing these by hand. If you have a Desmos iPad, you need to get rid of it because we are not using it. So make sure that you do that, because if I don't see the steps on there, I'm going to get it wrong, okay? So right here, most of these, the first 6 are already y equals mx plus b. Some of them will have to Yolanda them to make them look like that. On every problem, you're going to write m equals b equals. M equals b equals. So look at this one, y equals mx plus b. So what's in the m spot, which is always connected to x, is 1 over 3. And b is in your b spot, which is 2. You always begin on the b. Begin on the b. All right, so we're going to plot a point at, I'll make it a different color just for fun, at 2. Okay, you always start on the y. So I'll put a y there. Always begin on the y. And then you're going to rise over run. If you need to write rise over run each time, go ahead and do that. So that means I'm going to rise 1 and then run positive 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then mark it. My little dots there, you don't want to count those, okay? I'm just showing you how I'm counting. And then you could also, well, that's really much it. You draw your line. And that's it. So you can check it on Desmos, but I want to see that you kind of counted and where you start on the right spot and how you got your slope. Now, I'll talk about number 2 real quick. So number 2, your y equals mx plus b. I'm not going to graph this one, but I'll help you with it. M is next to x, so it's negative 9. And b is in the b spot, so it's negative 4. You have to put a 1 because you need a rise over run. So when you're doing this, make sure. Now, one thing that you can do on that one is you can move the negative to 1 and put the 9 positive. So negative 9 over 1 is equal to positive 9 over negative 1. That might help you when you're doing your rise over run to fit it on this graph. I'm going to go to, so these are all the same. These two, you have to solve for y. So minus 8x, and so on. But I'm going to let you do them. I'll check them if you need help, but you have to do them on your own. And then the last 4 problems, you need to find m, b, and then write your equation. All of this is without Desmos, okay? So think about, where does it begin on the y? Pick another point. So I would use this point and maybe this point. Rise over run. And then figure out what your slope is by that. So those are points, optional points that you can use. You can also pick other points if you see other good ones. So that's all you got. Good luck. Let me know if you need help.